Here, the question says find the unknowns from the following figure. Look, here, this one is C degree, this one 30, this one 3D minus 5, and this one 68. So from this value, we need to find out the measurement of C and D, because here C and D are unknown. So how can you solve it? If you can think C and 68, these two angles will make a straight angle. So C degree plus 68 degree will make 180 degree. So what is the side note here? We will get a side note adjacent angles on a straight line. Adjacent angles on a straight line. So this is our first part. So here what will be the answer? C degree will be 180 degree minus 68 degree. Now subtract 68 from 180. 8, 9, 10. So that will be 2. We have 1, 7, then 1, 1, 1, 2 degree. So the answer of C equal to 1, 1, 2 degree. So we got our first answer. Here we can use same idea, this one. If we add these three angles, that means it will create 180 degree. Why? Adjacent angles on a straight line. So if we add them, suppose 30 degree plus 3D degree minus 5 degree plus 68 degree will make 180 degree. So what is the side note here? We can give same side note, adjacent angles on a straight line. So here 3D degree, 30 minus 5 will be 25. 25 plus 68, 93 degree. 93 degree equal to 180. So 3D degree will be 180 degree minus 93 degree, or 3D degree will be, it will be 87 degree. So what will be the measurement of D? D will be 87 degree divided by 3. So 3 to the 6, we have 2 left. So 27, 3 9 27. So the measurement of D will be 29 degree.